Panasonic celebrates the 100th anniversary of its foundation this year. Also, for the past 60 years, we have been working on the heat pump technology. Panasonic's air-to-water heat pump system, Aquarea, provides a comfortable indoor environment. As the heat pump makes use of heat in the air, it is eco-friendly and energy efficient. Panasonic's Aquarea can provide heating, domestic hot water, and even cooling in one system. For Aquarea to produce the same heating result as electric heater of 1 kilowatt, the electric consumption of only about 0.2 kilowatts is required. This proves its excellent energy-saving performance. Aquarea employs various superior technologies. Aquarea has 3 benefits: efficiency, top-class energy-saving performance. By combining the tank and indoor unit as one, the Aquarea all-in-one saves insulation space and creates a more comfortable living environment. The tank uses our unique heat insulation panel, Aquarea. It realizes high performance in spite of being extremely thin. Compared to the conventional insulation material, polystyrene foam, Aquarea achieves a 29 times greater performance in heat insulation. It also contributes to making Aquaria's design slimmer. Furthermore, our proprietary R2 rotary compressor has enabled precise control, helping achieve an industry-leading performance in energy saving. Comfort. Aquarea can create a comfortable environment. As heat pumps use the heat in the air, the capacity is usually affected when the outdoor temperature is low. With the Aquarea T-Cap, Panasonic's unique technology, the performance is maintained even at a temperature as low as -20 degrees Celsius. With effective refrigerant control realized by our unique dual-piped heat exchanger and bypass, even at such a low temperature, Aquarea T-Cap can provide stable heating and hot water. Reliability. Our unique real-time remote maintenance function, Aquarea Service Cloud, directly informs installers of any problems should they occur. With a maximum of 73 parameters, the service allows installers remote analysis so that it can save time and cost for repairs. At the same time, Aquarea Smart Cloud enables you also to see your energy consumption. Aquarea has 3 product lines: high performance for well-insulated houses, T-Cap for extreme cold climate, and HT for being used with high temperature radiators. For each product line, we offer 3 different product types: all-in-one, bi-block, and monoblock. Together with a wide range of varying capacity from 3 kilowatts to 16 kilowatts, we can address diverse customer needs. With this wide product range, we can offer optimum heating, hot water solutions, and cooling, meeting a variety of requirements, from those related to the refurbishing of existing houses to the building of new ones. This is what Panasonic's Aquarea is all about.